Hi, welcome to Storytextbook. I'm James. Today we're going to learn and practice using comparatives. Comparatives are used to compare two things, showing how one is different from the other, typically by adding er to short adjectives or using more with longer adjectives. Are you excited? Let's get started. Compare your height to your best friend's height using a comparative adjective. You have 10 seconds. You might say, I am taller than my best friend. Taller is a comparative adjective because it compares the height of two people. Great. Now compare the weather today to yesterday using a comparative adjective. You have 10 seconds. An example answer could be, today is hotter than yesterday. Hotter is a comparative adjective as it compares the temperatures of two different days. Awesome. Compare your hometown to another city you have visited using a comparative adjective. You have 10 seconds. You might say, my hometown is smaller than the city I visited. Smaller is a comparative adjective since it compares the size of two places. Wonderful. Compare two subjects you study in school using a comparative adjective. You have 10 seconds. You could say, math is harder than history. Harder is a comparative adjective because it compares the difficulty of two subjects. Nice. Compare two animals using a comparative adjective. You have 10 seconds. An example answer is, a lion is stronger than a deer. Stronger is a comparative adjective as it compares the strength of two animals. Fantastic. Compare your favorite book to another book you've read using a comparative adjective. You have 10 seconds. You might say, my favorite book is more interesting than the other book. More interesting is a comparative adjective since it compares the interest level of two books. Excellent. Compare two places you have visited using a comparative adjective. You have 10 seconds. You could say, the beach is more relaxing than the mountains. More relaxing is a comparative adjective because it compares the relaxation level of two places. Great job. Now, here's a special task for you. In the comments below, tell me about something interesting you have compared recently using a comparative adjective. I'm looking forward to reading your responses. You did a fantastic job practicing comparatives with me today. Remember, comparatives help you show differences between two things by using er for short adjectives and more for longer ones. Keep practicing and you'll become even more proficient. Don't forget to subscribe to Storytextbook for more fun and educational lessons. Until our next lesson, see you later.